How to easily remove extra space in Google Sheets. So to start, we'll have to open a sample Google Sheet, and then in here, as you can see, I have this list. If I want to remove the extra space on this list, all I need to do is to tap on a different cell, and then in here type equals and then trim. After that, simply tap on this one, and then after that, select the cell where you want to remove the extra space. After that, type here close parentheses, and then after that, tap on enter. And as you can see here, it automatically removed the extra space on this cell. If I want to do the same process on the remaining cell, all I need to do is to select on this cell, and then after that, I'll just have to place my cursor here and then drag it at the bottom. And as you can see here, it automatically removed all the extra space on those cells. So that's how easy we can remove extra space in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.